In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a dynamic map with your Webflow CMS using the power of Mapbox. Whether you're showcasing store locations, project sites, or any geographical data, this guide will walk you through creating an engaging, interactive map experience for your users. Let's get started. First things first, you need to prepare your CMS collection in Webflow. This is the backbone of your map setup because it contains all the vital data about your locations. Ensure your collection boasts fields like name or title, which will serve as identifiers for each location. The address field is essential for displaying detailed location information, but perhaps most crucial are fields for latitude and longitude. These coordinates will enable precise placement of markers on your map. If you don't have these details on hand, they can be acquired using geocoding services. Having this information set up correctly in your CMS collection is critical for your map to function as intended. Moving on, let's talk about installing and configuring the Dynamic Map app by No-Code Flow within the Webflow Designer. Navigate to the Webflow Apps panel, search for Dynamic Map, and follow the straightforward steps to install it. After installation, launch the app, and you'll be prompted to insert a map into your project. Select the CMS collection that houses your location data. The app makes it easy to connect essential fields like the slug, latitude, and longitude, ensuring everything aligns smoothly. Now let's connect and configure Mapbox, which will be your map provider. Within the Dynamic Map app settings, locate the option to switch to Mapbox. This is where you'll need a Mapbox access token, which you can obtain from your Mapbox account. Simply insert this token into the designated field in the app. Next, dive into configuring your map settings. Choose a map style from the wide array of options Mapbox offers. You can also define user interactions such as zooming and panning, which will enhance the user experience. If necessary, you may also set up filters and sorting options to manage the locations displayed on the map. Now it's time to integrate everything with your collection list. The goal here is to ensure the map markers correspond accurately with your CMS items. Connect the location data within the Dynamic Map app to your existing Webflow collection list. If you want interactive pop-ups or tooltips to appear when users hover over or click on a map marker, you might need to set up a second collection list or configure the app to utilize your existing list for this interactive feature. Once everything is connected and configured to your satisfaction, it's time to make your interactive map live, publish your Webflow site, and you'll have a fully operational dynamic Mapbox map with CMS-driven locations ready for your viewers to explore. Congratulations, you've just added a compelling geographic element to your website that's sure to impress your audience.